Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online maths class. Today we will start Unit 9 Fraction. What are fractions? A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. In this picture, one part is colored here out of 4 parts. That's why fraction is 1 by 4. As we know that a fraction shows part of a whole, it is denoted by numerator and denominator. There is an example 4 by 7. In this example, 4 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. Today we will start a new unit, that is fraction. Unit 9 fraction. At first we will understand what is fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. For example, 1 by 2, 5 by 9, 10 by 12. The upper part of a fraction is called numerator. 10 is the upper part, that's why it is called numerator. And the lower part is called denominator. And 12 is the lower part, that's why it is called denominator. Next, equivalent fraction. The fraction which express the same value are called equivalent fraction. There is a figure. 2 parts are colored here. So the fraction is 2 by 6 because total number of parts are 6 and 2 parts are colored here. So fraction is 2 by 6. Next, like fraction. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fraction. Denominators are same. 2 by 10, 13 by 10, 5 by 10. 10 is denominator. It is same in each fraction. That's why it is called like fraction. Next, unlike fraction. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Like 3 by 5, 1 by 3, 6 by 8. Denominators are different. 5, 3, 8. That's why these are called unlike fraction. Next, proper fraction. Fractions which numerators are smaller than denominators. Numerators are smaller than denominators. 1 is smaller than 3, 2 is smaller than 3 and 5 is smaller than 7. That's why these are called proper fractions. Fractions where numerators are smaller than denominators are called proper fraction. Improper fraction. Fractions where numerators are greater than denominators are called improper fraction. Numerators are greater than denominator. 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2 and 6 is greater than 5. That's why these are improper fraction. Next, unit fraction. Fractions having 1 in the numerator are called unit fraction. Numerator is 1. 1 by 9, 1 by 15, 1 by 2. That's why these are called unit fraction where numerator is 1. Next, natural numbers. Numbers we use for counting are called natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, mixed numbers. Improper fraction written as a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed number. 2. 2 is a natural number which we use for counting. And 2, 3 by 4, 1, 4 by 9, these are called mixed numbers. Children, today we will read fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. We have already studied in class 3. Let us start now. Write fraction for the shaded part of each group. Some parts are shaded. We have to write fraction for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded and total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means the fraction for this is 5 by 12. Shaded part we will write as a numerator and total parts we will write as a denominator. Through this method you can do question number B and question number C. Question number 2. Shade the figure according to the given fraction. Fraction is given here. We have to shade the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to shade it like this. We have to color full part. And total number of parts are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to color only 5 parts. Shade the only 5 parts. Through this method you will solve question number B and question number C. Next, complete the table. Numerator and denominator are given here. We will have to write fraction. We will write here 5 by 8. 3 by 17 you will write here and here. Numerator is given, denominator is not given. What will we do in this situation? Numerator is 6 and denominator is not given here. Numerator is here. So we will write here 10. In this question, denominator is given, numerator is not given. We will write here numerator from the fraction, that is 1. Now come in next page. Compare using less than, greater than or equal to symbol. Denominator is same, 4 by 3, 7 by 3. Which symbol we should give here? We will give here less than. 4 by 3 is less than 7 by 3. Next, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Both are equal, so we will give equal to sign. Through this method, you will solve question number C and question number D. Come in next question, question number 5. Four by 9 plus 1 by 9. We will add here 4 plus 1 by 9 equal to 5 by 9. We will solve like this. Through this method you can solve another questions. In addition you will add, in subtraction you will subtract, but you have to write like this. That's all for today.